Hello and welcome to our first episode in a new series where we discuss how to get the most out of our AEMdata data analysis software. In this episode, we're just going to show you how to download it, where to find that download, and then how to get it set up so you can get your data into AEMdata. Then we'll look at what kind of changes you can make so you can drive faster and win some races. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to our AEM Electronics website, which is www.aemelectronics.com. Once you're here, you'll see that we put AEMdata in a lot of different places around the website. One of the easiest ways to find it is go to our data loggers page, and then you'll see it right here. It's also down here by the software tab, or if you even were just to click on a lot of our products, you'd find the AEMdata download pretty close by. But the way that we're going to do it is we're going to go to software downloads up at the top, and then come down here to AEMdata logging and analysis. And then once you click on that, it will take you right up here. So then we'll go ahead and click download to download the AEMdata software. It's a 104 megabyte file, so depending on your download speed, it could take 30 seconds, could take a couple minutes. But once it's downloaded, we'll go ahead and click that and open it. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you whether or not you want to run the file. So of course, let's go ahead and run AEMdata. Then it'll bring up the download wizard, so it's just asking if you want it to download AEMdata. We'll go ahead and click next. Then make sure to take a moment and go through our licensing agreement up top. Once you've read that, you can go ahead and click I accept the agreement. Then it'll just ask you for basic information. Most of this stuff is just autofill. It'll then tell you where it's going to house the file on your computer. It'll tell you where the start menu folder goes. So here at the select additional tasks, you have the option on whether or not you want a desktop icon for AEMdata. And if you plan on doing video overlays but you don't have a video transcoder, then we strongly recommend that you click this tab right here. This will install the webm video transcoder. That's going to allow you to take video from any kind of source, any type of camera that you're using, and then export that through the video transcoder, and then import that into AEMdata so you can use custom displays and custom graphics and output it into HD resolution. So once we've selected everything that we've wanted, we can go ahead and click next, and that'll give you a full overview, and then you can go ahead and install it. So now that it's just about done, you can see that it's created that icon up at the top left. So now it's going to ask us to set up the video transcoder, so we'll go ahead and do that. So go ahead and just click through. It's all of the usual stuff. See if you want a desktop icon or not. Then we'll install it. So once it's set up the transcoder, it's going to ask us if we want to launch it. Right now we're not going to be working on that, so we won't launch it right now. But when our next tab comes up, we are going to launch AEMdata. So let's go ahead and do that. And once it opens up, you'll see our sample screen right in front of you. Later we'll get into this quick start menu and just about everything that you can see around you. We're also going to get into more advanced topics like how to make a track map. Now granted, our example is of Bonneville, so that's not going to be too exciting, but you can make your track map of any one of your favorite tracks. We're also going to show you how to do video overlay like this, how to properly import your video, how to sync your data with your video, how to make really cool, awesome graphics or custom gauges. We're going to show you how to do plot overlays. We'll show you how to make XY plots. And if you keep your eye right here, you can see that when I click on this, you can see all the changes that are being made, and also some just other really cool stuff. So stick around and go to the next video, which will show you how to make all these channels and make use of all that data that you have. If you have any other questions about AEMdata, make sure to let us know in the comments so we can help you guys out. And make sure you subscribe so you can learn more about AEMdata. Thank you for watching.